I smeared dog poop on my neighbor's car, and she called the cops. So I moved into a new place about 3 months ago, and my neighbor has this massive dog, sweet but huge. It's probably a Great Dane mix. At least 3 times a week, that dog leaves giant dumps all over my front lawn. At first, I just noticed the mess, but then I caught the dog in the act. I yelled, then politely talked to the neighbor. She apologized and promised to keep an eye on him, but it kept happening. I brought it up again. She claimed it must happen when I'm not around. Then one day, I saw her literally watching as her dog did it again, and that was it. I was furious. So after the dog went inside, I grabbed a shovel, scooped up about 5 piles, and threw it all over her car. I even smeared it in with the shovel. The next morning, she came out, saw her car, and was livid. She called the cops. But guess what? Her dog never pooped on my lawn again. So Reddit, was I wrong for how I handled it?